Welcome back to my YouTube channel Top Cars TV.
1971 Ford F-100 Custom Cab 4x4 remains one of the most iconic American pickups ever built, standing as a symbol of durability, rugged style, and mechanical simplicity. In a time when trucks were used mainly for work, the F-100 brought a rare combination of utility and personality to the table. With its muscular stance, chrome accents, and raised 4x4 suspension, this truck carved out a reputation that still earns respect in classic truck circles today. Launched as part of the fifth generation of Ford's F-Series lineup, the 1971 F-100 Custom Cab 4x4 offered a factory four-wheel drive system, something that was becoming more desirable for rural and industrial users across the United States. This model year saw a few modest but important refinements from its predecessors. Among them were improved suspension geometry, better ride comfort, and a more aggressive front-end styling that included a wider grille and dual headlights. The custom cab trim added upgraded interior materials and subtle chrome touches outside small luxuries that gave it a classier appearance compared to the base models. Bumper designs in the 1971 F-100 were simple yet bold. The front bumper was a heavy-duty steel piece with a clean, contoured look, often painted silver or chrome-plated depending on the trim. The rear bumper varied slightly depending on the configuration, as some came with a step bumper for easier access to the bed, while others had a more streamlined chrome rear. These bumpers were built not just for looks but to take abuse, which made them favorites among ranchers, builders, and off-roaders. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. At the back, the tailgate carried the large stamped Ford lettering, giving it a signature classic touch. The bed itself was available in multiple lengths and style as a style side or flared deal, offering versatility for both work and personal use. For the 4x4 custom cab, most came with a longer bed and dual gas tanks, increasing its utility for long hauls or backcountry use. In terms of price, the original MSRP for a 1971 Ford F-100 Custom Cab 4x4 ranged from about $3,300 to $4,000, depending on engine choice and optional features. Adjusted for inflation, that would be around $24,000 to $30,000 today. An incredible value for a truck that could do nearly anything. Today, restored versions of this model can fetch anywhere from $25,000 to over $60,000 depending on condition, originality, and upgrades. The 1971 F-100 marked a moment when Ford began blending rugged performance with driver comfort and design detail. The availability of V8 engines like the 360 and 390 cubic inch motors gave it the power to tow, climb, and haul without breaking a sweat. Paired with a manual or automatic transmission, and enhanced by the selectable 4WD system, this truck became a legend on farms, job sites, and mountain trails alike. Over 50 years later, the 1971 Ford F-100 Custom Cab 4x4 remains a timeless icon, admired not only for what it was but for how well it continues to embody the spirit of American pickups. It's not just a truck, it's a chapter in the story of American work ethic, engineering, and style.